The DJI Mini 5 Pro has quickly become one of the most anticipated drones in the market, sparking excitement among drone enthusiasts worldwide. As a part of DJI's iconic Mini series, this upcoming release is expected to continue the tradition of delivering top-notch aerial photography capabilities in a compact, user-friendly package. Despite the company's recent launch of the Neo, a palm-sized vlogging drone designed for capturing everyday moments, the Mini series remains a favorite for users who prioritize high-quality aerial imagery. The buzz surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is a testament to the Mini series' reputation as the go-to choice for portable and versatile drones. In this video, we'll explore everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, including its potential features, release date, and the kinds of upgrades that may set it apart from its predecessors. From camera enhancements to advanced AI tracking and connectivity improvements, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver a refined drone experience while retaining its lightweight design, a hallmark of the Mini series. However, achieving these advancements while adhering to the sub-250-gram weight limit poses unique challenges for DJI. This weight classification not only ensures portability but also allows users in many regions, including the US, to fly without needing additional licensing. For this reason, balancing meaningful upgrades with the series-defining compact design will be a key focus for DJI as they develop the Mini 5 Pro. One of the most discussed aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its potential camera upgrades. Drone enthusiasts speculate that the new model could feature a larger 1-inch sensor, a significant improvement from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor would allow the drone to capture more light, resulting in sharper image quality and better performance in low-light conditions. This enhancement would make the Mini 5 Pro an ideal choice for landscape photography and videography, even in challenging lighting environments. While some fans may hope for a resolution boost, DJI is likely to focus on improving dynamic range and clarity rather than raw pixel count, ensuring a balanced and realistic approach to image quality advancements. In addition to camera enhancements, there is significant speculation about improvements in AI tracking capabilities. Enhanced tracking features could allow the Mini 5 Pro to follow fast-moving objects, such as vehicles or athletes, with greater precision and consistency. This would expand the drone's appeal to action-oriented videographers and those looking to capture dynamic scenes. The addition of 5G connectivity is another rumored upgrade, which could provide smoother real-time transmissions, improved control, and higher-resolution live feeds, features particularly valuable for professional users and remote piloting enthusiasts. These advancements, if realized, will further cement the Mini 5 Pro's position as a leader in its class. However, DJI faces a critical challenge: introducing such features while maintaining the Mini series' defining sub-250-gram weight category. This delicate balance between innovation and practicality will play a pivotal role in shaping the Mini 5 Pro's success. DJI's release patterns provide clues about when we might see the Mini 5 Pro hit the market. Historically, DJI has followed an annual release cycle for the Mini series, with each model launching approximately a year after its predecessor. The Mini 4 Pro, for instance, debuted roughly a year after the Mini 3 Pro. Based on this trend, rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could be released as early as November. This timeline would give DJI enough time for development and testing, ensuring that the Mini 5 Pro meets the high expectations of its growing fanbase. As for its market position, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to appeal to a wide audience, from beginners to seasoned drone users. Its lightweight design, ease of use, and focus on high-quality aerial imagery make it an accessible entry point for those new to drones. At the same time, its anticipated advancements, such as improved tracking, connectivity, and camera performance, are likely to attract professionals looking for a compact yet capable drone. By balancing incremental improvements with its core design principles, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to deliver a refined experience that appeals to both casual users and serious enthusiasts. One of the most defining features of the Mini series is its sub-250-gram weight class. This lightweight design has made the series highly popular, especially among users in the United States, as it exempts them from FAA licensing requirements. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue adhering to this standard, making it an attractive option for both recreational users and those seeking a portable, hassle-free flying experience. However, this weight restriction poses a unique challenge for DJI, as it limits the scope of potential upgrades. For instance, adding a larger sensor or a higher capacity battery would enhance image quality and flight time, but could push the drone past the critical 250-gram threshold. Maintaining the balance between incorporating cutting-edge features and retaining the lightweight design will be key to the Mini 5 Pro's success. DJI's engineers are likely exploring innovative ways to maximize performance while staying within these constraints. This could include using lightweight materials, optimizing internal components, or even introducing modular options that allow users to customize their drone while keeping it under the weight limit. Despite these challenges, there is still room for meaningful improvements. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is expected to focus on refining its core features, camera performance, AI capabilities, and connectivity, while ensuring the drone remains compact, portable, and easy to use. This balance of innovation and practicality will determine whether the Mini 5 Pro lives up to the high expectations surrounding its release. Beyond its technical specifications, the Mini 5 Pro has the potential to influence the broader drone market. By offering incremental but meaningful advancements, DJI continues to set the standard for what a compact consumer drone can achieve. Features like enhanced AI tracking and 5G connectivity, while exciting in their own right, also demonstrate how technology is evolving to meet the diverse needs of drone users, from hobbyists capturing personal memories to professionals creating cinematic content. Moreover, the Mini 5 Pro's expected improvements highlight DJI's commitment to making aerial photography accessible to a wider audience. Its lightweight design, ease of operation, and anticipated affordability position it as an ideal choice for beginners looking to explore drone technology. At the same time, its advanced capabilities make it a valuable tool for seasoned users who need a portable yet powerful option for their aerial projects. As DJI prepares to launch the Mini 5 Pro, it not only reinforces its leadership in the drone industry but also challenges competitors to match its innovation. By striking the right balance between performance, portability, and affordability, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine what users expect from a compact drone.